of the festivities in the Armory each and every year. In the girls' race, Bella Brown from Jamaica takes the victory over the rest of the international field, winning in 8:66.
Has won the fastest female.
And on the boys' side, as he outlasts the rest of the field, running out there in lane number 10, kind of like Sha'Carri Richardson in Budapest, winning on that outside lane.
Hit that red subscribe button if you have not seen me. I'm telling you that I'm so proud and glowing of this young lady and young boy. Bella Brown from Jamaica is now the fastest female child in the world, and Noah Brown from Suriname is also the fastest male child. And I personally, I'm gonna let the commentator, do this one, because I think he have done a great one.
And the world is a fixture part of the festivities in the Armory each and every year. In the girls' race, Bella Brown from Jamaica takes the victory over the rest of the international field, winning in 8:66. And on the boys' side, keep an eye on Noah Brown from Burkina Faso as he outlasts the rest of the field, running out there in lane number 10, kind of like Sha'Carri Richardson in Budapest, winning on that outside lane.
Yeah, congratulations to the young man and the young woman here. Bella Brown of Jamaica and Noah Brown of Suriname has now etched their name in the history books as the fastest child in the world. Congratulations to these young people. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. An excellent, excellent feel-good little story.
Fire,